Somewhere in the world, on a seashore, there lived a pair of tittibha birds, husband and wife. In the course of time, the female was expecting a family. As the time to lay her eggs came near, she said to her husband, "My dear, it's almost time for me to lay my eggs. Look for some good safe place where I can lay them." Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm reading the Tales of Panchatantra written by Vishnu Sharma. And today I start reading the story of the tittibha birds and the sea. So let's continue. The male tittibha said, "Dearest, this coat is very nice. You can lay the eggs here." She said, "But on nights when the moon is full, the sea here sends its waves so high that they can drag off even a wild elephant. No, find some better place away from here." When the male Titiba heard this, he laughed and said, "What a thing to say! The sea wouldn't dare harm my children. Lay your eggs here and stop worrying." Now the sea heard this and thought to himself, "What kind of impudence is this? From a bird the size of a worm? For fun, I'll take away his eggs and see what he does." In the course of time, the female laid her eggs. One day, shortly afterwards, when the two birds had flown off in search of food, the waves of the sea came higher and swallowed up the eggs. When the birds returned, the female went to her nest and found it empty. She wept bitterly and said to her husband, "You fool, the waves of the sea have swallowed my eggs. I asked you to find somewhere else for me to lay them, but you, stupid thing that you wouldn't listen to me." They say, "Those who refuse to follow the advice of friends who wish them well come to grief like the foolish turtle who fell off the stick." Then the male Titibha asked, "How was that?" And his wife told him. And I tell you in my next video what she told to him. Till then, keep listening beautiful stories and keep smiling.